stuck. Poor Jeep. What about engine dying? You didn't hear? You always tell me that, baby, press the clutch, your engine is dying. So now he does the same. Ooh. Yoo-hoo. Almost. So now how he will go back? I don't know. I'm going after my husband for the rest of my life. Oh, I tell you what, it's a hard job. But sometimes it's fun. Sometimes. I feel bad for those tires. Oh. The king of the hill.
I was gonna come down and pick you up.
The king of the hill, can I ask you a few questions?
Pretty tough today. Yeah, gonna
Wait, I didn't ask you a question yet. So what was the hardest part?
We're pretty proud of our NASA Jeep today. It performed pretty good. Chevy built us a good engine. Yeah, it was good.
Why did it take you so long to get out of that holes?
Them tires didn't want to get them. The tires need dirt and rocks and just need no traction.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we are Sokol and Lozano TV. We'll see you next week.